Hi everyone, my name's Tatiana and I'm the creator and designer behind MedintsevaToys plush crochet toys. I've just created a new public Facebook group where we can all connect, share photos of your finished toys made from my tutorials and help each other with the crochet process. In this group you can share your bears, dragons, cows and other characters made from my video tutorials or crochet patterns. Let the whole world see your toys. Ask questions if something doesn't work out and get support from me and other members. Share your ideas, yarn color combination and creative touches. And of course, get inspired by others and inspire them with your creations. I really want this community to become a warm and friendly place for everyone who loves crocheting amigurumi, because creating together is always more fun and inspiring. If you've already made toys from my tutorials, or if you are just planning to start, make sure to join our group. You'll find the link in the description below this video. I'll be so happy to see each of you in our cozy corner of crochet inspiration.